If you're a beginner looking to dive into the world of hand-poke tattoos, Tattoo Unleashed offers a variety of kits to get you started. First up is the Hand Poke Tattoo Kit 1.0, perfect for novices. It includes sterilized needles, a variety of ink colors, and practice skins, making it an excellent choice for those just dipping their toes into tattooing. Next, we have the Wormhole Hand Poke Kit, which not only provides the basics, but also features advanced tools like adjustable grips and ergonomic handles for precision. For those who want to take their skills to the next level, the Adamus Hand Poke Kit offers high-quality needles, premium inks, and a comprehensive guidebook written by seasoned tattoo artists. What sets Tattoo Unleashed apart is their dedication to quality and safety, ensuring all kits include sterilization supplies and detailed instructions. Additionally, their customer reviews rave about the ease of use and high standard of products. Whether you're looking to start small or aim for professional quality work, these kits provide everything you need to master the art of hand-poke tattooing. So why wait? Explore these options and start your tattoo journey today.